Get from the largest ever budget last year. 1. Increased costs of living. 2. Increased crime. 3. Poorer CXC results. Mathematics now 31%.
That was Alliance for Change leader Nigel Hughes evaluating the 2024 budget, which was declared the largest in Ghana's history. Last year's budget totaled 1.146 trillion Ghana dollars, with public infrastructure receiving the largest allocation of $666.2 billion. According to Hughes, the size of the budget is unimportant and believes that there was below par performances across sectors.
Less gold production. 5. More contracts for the family, friends, and favorites.
He also acknowledged that the billions of dollars expended on projects that to date has experienced lengthy delays.
Project delays on almost every project. The bridge, the gas to energy, and those several other projects.
Despite last year's mammoth budget, the AFC leader contends that there has been an increase in poverty, corruption, and theft. Recently, opposition leader Aubrey Norton flagged the government on what he deemed wasted resources on projects that are not beneficial to citizens.
You see towards the end of the year, they're just giving out money because there is a lack of capacity. You see them digging up roads that were properly done to redo them to be able to spend the money. And so the problem is wastage.
Antonio Day reporting for the HGP Nightly News.